What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making almond butter chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so delicious and so easy to put together. All you need are 4 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. We are going to be making them with coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a more natural sweetener. It's lower on the glycemic index, so it's not going to spike your insulin levels as much as like white sugar, for example. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please make sure to give us a big thumbs up if you do end up making these cookies. Leave us a comment down below and let us know how you like them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any further recipes. So without further ado, let's get into the video.